Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I will be giving an update on my master bedroom with bathroom and walk-in closet. So as in the previous video, we give you the starting of this building. So today we will be providing some more information like the install of the windows. You can see that the windows is installed now. The doors are not installed as yet. The floor is installed. So some things are done, some things are not as yet. So in the bathroom, the floor is installed. The jacuzzi is not installed as yet. The toilet is not installed. The shower is not installed, but the windows are installed and the door is not installed. So the electrical work is complete as well. So just to paint and install those fixtures for the bathroom. In the master bedroom, you can see that all windows are installed and the floor is installed. The doors are not installed. The electrical work is installed and complete. Inside the walk-in closet, there's no fixtures as yet, but the wall is complete. Electrical work is complete. The floor installed. But I don't know what they got to do with this floor. They got to tile it or whatever. 100% finishing, but the concrete installed. So I can give you some update on that as we progress along the way. These type of windows are slide window and they are made from aluminum with a combination of aluminum and glass. Yes, so these are not plastic windows. These are aluminum with white, milky white coating and dark shade glass. So these glass are not clear, they are dark, but from inside you can see everything outside. When you get the outside view, then you see that it's of a dark shade. So tell me what you think about the progress of this master bedroom with bathroom and walk-in closet. The walls are not painted as yet, but I decided to give an update before the painting or the priming of the wall. So tell me what you think. The door will be installed in a short while, in a day or two, but I was on the job site, so I tried to grab as much information I can before I leave. Update will be sent to me and I share that update with you guys as we go along. So as you can see, it's concrete floor, fully concrete, no paint as yet. Tell me what you think, if the job was done properly. The video quality is not the best based on the walls have no colors, so it's kind of difficult to get the proper details, but I decide. So this is a passage. We do the flooring to another part. This is the outside view. So as you can see, as I was talking about the glass for the window, it's not clear, it's dark or tint. So this is the outside view. The walls are not flush as yet, but we pay attention to inside first, and then further on we will be flashing and rendering the outside, but we are making the livable first inside. That's what's taking place here. So if you think this video was educational and interested, please leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Question viewers asked from the previous video is that how big is this master bedroom? This master bedroom is 16 by 20 feet. Yes, so that's the size, and the bathroom is 10 feet by 8. Walk-in closet is 10 feet by 8. So here's the outside view. This is the side of the master bedroom with walk-in closet. Just giving an update on this project. We didn't have any difficulty and any problem. It go through smooth. So when the jacuzzi and the shower and the basin and all the bathroom fixtures installed, I will be giving an update to make you see the finishing of the bathroom. So this is the bathroom window from outside. So just tell me what you think. Leave your comment. Tell me what I didn't say, what I could say to make this video better. Did we do a good job? Or what? It's always a pleasure to get those comments and hear from you guys. As I say, I'll be sending a next update as soon as the painting of the wall and the installing of the tiles fixtures and the tiling of the floor and all these things. I will be giving you guys a next update to see the final finish. So you can look out for that video as well. So I think you guys are due to get an update on what's going on and the progress of this building. So look out for more videos in a short while. I won't take so long to give the next update. So thank you all for watching and see you guys in my next video. It's a blessing. I am out. Why cannot this thing done?